I've had the privilege of meeting a number of rangers throughout my life, and I've seen firsthand the vital work they do. Yet their stories are often overlooked or misunderstood. The reality is that protecting our natural world has become one of the most dangerous jobs on the planet.
When we did lose the life of a ranger, obviously it just brings down to earth again the dangers that rangers face.
The rangers we meet in this series are an inspiration to us all. Every day they take huge risks as nature's front line of defence, between poachers and endangered species, supporting sustainable human-animal coexistence and fighting habitat loss. As they work to protect our oceans, our forests, our plains, our mountains and biodiversity, they're also educating, community building and furthering science. These are the unsung heroes, the true guardians of the natural world.